If your Tableau dashboards aren't interactive and engaging, you're missing out on huge opportunities to deliver powerful insights to your stakeholders. But don't worry, because I'm here to help you unlock the full potential of your dashboards and truly engage your audience with set and parameter actions. You might fall into one of two categories right now. You either have a dashboard where users hardly ever use it, or you're hesitant to dive deep into set and parameter actions because you find them a bit confusing. Either way, you're leaving impactful insights on the table. It's time to break free from this frustration and transform your Tableau dashboards into interactive tools that drive action. And that's exactly where I come in. Over the years, I've helped thousands of Tableau users, just like you, master the skills they need to build interactive, insightful dashboards that impress stakeholders and transform decision-making. Set and parameter actions are key to achieving this, and I've seen the difference it makes when people finally understand how to use them. For example, one of my previous workshop attendees, Kuli, was struggling with the logic and configuration of calculations. After attending my hands-on calculation workshop, she learned how to leverage table calculations and level of detail expressions, and now has the confidence to describe them to her colleagues who are struggling to understand them themselves. The result? She said, calculations are now so loud and clear. It's almost unbelievable that once there was a time when I was just playing a game of clicking around until I got the calculation right. Now it's your turn. On October 3rd, I'm hosting a hands-on workshop that will guide you step by step in applying set and parameter actions to real-world scenarios. You'll walk away with the skills to build dashboards that are not only interactive, but also highly effective at driving decisions. Together, we'll work through practical examples, and by the end of the workshop, you'll have the confidence to use these powerful features in your own projects. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your Tableau skills, this is your opportunity to take those skills to the next level. Don't miss your chance to master these key Tableau skills. I can't wait to see you in the workshop and help you create dashboards that impress your stakeholders and drive decisions. I'll see you there.